Here are 5 powerful steps to escape debt forever. And trust me, step 3 will blow your mind. Debt can feel like quicksand. Every time you think you're climbing out, the weight pulls you back down. But the truth is, escaping debt isn't about luck. It's about strategy, discipline, and mindset. Here's a deeper look at the 5 steps that can set you free once and for all. Step 1. Face reality. Most people in debt avoid looking at the numbers because it's painful. But ignoring debt makes it grow silently with interest and penalties. Write down every debt you owe, no matter how small. Note the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Prioritize debts with the highest interest, like credit cards. Step 2. Create a budget. A budget is your financial map. Without it, you're driving blind. Track your spending for at least 1 month. Categorize expenses: needs, rent, food, utilities, wants, entertainment, fashion, and debt payments. Apply a proven method like the 50-30-20 rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% debt and savings. Step 3. Increase income, the game changer. Here's where most people miss out. You can only cut expenses so far, but income has unlimited potential. Start a side hustle: tutoring, freelance writing, ride-hailing, catering, or selling products online. Turn a skill into cash. If you're good at graphics, coding, or baking, monetize it. Invest in yourself. Take short courses that lead to better paying jobs. Step 4. Negotiate with creditors. Debt is not a life sentence. Banks and creditors would rather adjust your terms than lose your payments entirely. Call and ask for reduced interest rates. Request an extended repayment plan to lower your monthly burden. Consider debt consolidation if multiple loans are overwhelming. Step 5. Automate payments. Discipline wins battles, but automation wins wars. Set up automatic transfers for loan repayments immediately after payday. This prevents late fees, improves your credit record, and keeps you consistent. Automation also removes the temptation of forgetting or redirecting money elsewhere. Escaping debt isn't about miracles, it's about mindset and systems. When you face your reality, build a strong budget, boost your income, negotiate smartly, and automate payments, debt loses its power over you. Remember, every small step compounds. Debt freedom isn't just financial, it's emotional peace, confidence, and the freedom to build wealth instead of paying interest. Kindly follow us for more financial wisdom.